Hi, I'm Katie, and I'm an English teacher. Today I'm going to teach you about one of our parts of speech, prepositions. I have an easy technique that will help you remember how to use them in a sentence, or just how to remember them in general. So stick with me, and I'll teach you about this technique. I've heard time and again from my students that the parts of speech, grammar in general, is very difficult, especially if you don't have a lot of confidence in the subject of English. And I learned a technique, the cloud technique for prepositions, from my freshman English teacher, and it has stuck with me for the last 25 years. It's something I have to share with all of you. So let's get to it. Let me show you the cloud technique for how to remember prepositions. This is our preposition cloud. And prepositions, as we just went over, describe the location of a noun. Well, this is our noun, right? A cloud, noun. So we can go above the cloud. We can sit below the cloud, behind it, front, or in front of, up, down, around, next to, beside of. We're inside the cloud. We're outside of the cloud. So cloud is our noun, and our prepositions tell us the location. Our first example sentence reads, "He kicked the soccer ball like a pro." The preposition in that sentence is like. Our second example sentence reads, "I went with her to the store." The preposition in that sentence is with. Our third example sentence reads, "We walked along the lovely path." The preposition in that sentence is along. Now it's your turn. Can you find the prepositions in the following 3 sentences? Thank you for watching. I hope you'll join me next time in episode 2 where I discuss verbs.